Hello guys, welcome back to another interesting video. Today I will teach you how to make beautiful 6 number by using blend tool in Adobe Illustrator. If you are new to my channel, then subscribe it and check out my channel for more interesting video. Let's start. Select Curvature tool and make a number of 6. Press here, press here, press here, press here, 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 and here. Now adjust this number of 6. Adjust here with curvature tool. Now ready, number of 6. Select ellipse tool, make a circle by holding shift key. Select line tool, draw a line. Select rotate tool, give anchor. Press Alt, make a copy and Ctrl D. Ctrl D, Ctrl D, Ctrl D, Ctrl D, D. Select all of them and off the stock. Now select Shape Builder tool, and join the all parts separately. Join. Press Alt and delete unnecessary part by Shape Builder tool. Now select black color and give color with Shape Builder tool. Black color, black. Black. Now select white color and give white color remaining part with Shape Builder tool. This part I will give you black color. Now select and group. Ctrl G. Press Alt and make a copy and drag it here. Select both of them, go to Object, Blend option, choose specified step in 1000 and OK. Again go to Object, Blend and make. This is ready. Now adjust here. Number 6. Decrease the size of number 6. Select both of them. Again go to Object, Blend and replace spine. The beautiful number of 6 is ready. Look at this. Increase the size. Look at this. Now make this edge to front. Go to Object, Blend and reverse spine. Look at this. If you like my video, then subscribe to my channel and press bell icon for more interesting video. Thank you for watching.